from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And let me straighten you out here. Today, I'm going to be doing 3 snowflake ornaments. I'm going to be using in the first one, my chunky glitter in pink, a little of this colored UV resin in pink, and this little Piggy ballet slipper. In this one, I'm going to be using my chunky glitter in silver and this little Piggy frost. And in the last one over here, my chunky glitter in blue. It's holographic. All of these glitters are holographic. My colored blue, and I'm going to add a little glisten into that for some extra sheen. So let's begin. Going to start out. Now, I don't know if you have these molds are from Let's Resin, and they have little holes on the top. I don't know if you can see that little hole there. So that little hole is if you want to make this an ornament, which I would like to make this an ornament. So what I'm going to do is, I can either drill a hole later on, or I can fill that little hole with something. Now, just a little reminder here, when you receive your Let's Resin Advanced, be sure there's a clear film on the top and the bottom of your little shelf here. Be sure to take that off. I forgot to include that in my unboxing video, but I did take that off, and that will let your UV light go through quicker, because that film would distract from the curing process. So just a little update there. Be sure to take that film off. Okay, I'm back, and I have these 2 skewers here, and I do believe, okay, so this will fit. And I want to show you here. And I'm going to clip this off. Straighten that out. Now we have all our pieces. So I'm just going to put a little bit up into the I'm going to put some of that in here. Mix that in with some chunky glitter. Right here, my holographic pink. Okay, that looks really beautiful. Now I'm going to put the clear in. And we're going to see how beautiful this is going to be. In retrospect on this snowflake, I definitely should have used less glitter and more of the clear UV resin. And now let's get on to number 2. We're going to use this little Piggy frost. And I decided to switch the snowflakes around. What a gorgeous color. Look at that. Wow. Put that into the little tips of the snowflake. Some of that glitter. Flowing in the middle. Some of that chunky silvery glitter. Mixed in with that beautiful frost. This is going to be a gorgeous one. I think this is going to be my favorite. Okay, here we go. I think if we have some bubbles in here, I don't think it's going to make much of a difference. Okay, now let's get on with the last one. Oh, that could have been... I could have been doing this while I was talking here. All right, well, let me move this one over. Let's get on with the last one. We have that in there. I'm gonna put a little of this blue up into the corners. Just a little drop. I like this because you can get in with your little, you can get right into the corner there. And you can get your resin, your colored resin right into there. That's really cool. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of my Glisten. Too much Glisten in there because we don't want it to be too opaque. Pour this in. Really beautiful. Get into the corners now with my skewer. Of the holographic blue in here. Is done, and I'm going to put the other two in. Okay, while the other two are cooking, let's see how this one came. Are a little tricky. Oh, this one is not so bad, I think. All right. Pull my stick out. And we'll find out if the stick works or not. Maybe I should have sprayed it first. All right, so here, oh, okay, here we go. Coming out of the mold. Right. And the last one is with the stick. And let me try and got it out. Maybe it didn't go through, but check that out. Oh wait, okay. So this wasn't supposed to. This is supposed to leave a hole. All right, I poked the hole. Wow, beautiful. Oh my, wow. It's a little sticky. I'm going to put it under the light a little to let it cook a little more. Wow, that came beautiful. Okay, be back in a moment. Okay, we're back. And this one is just beautiful. As you can see, look at that. Shimmer and shine. Now, let's get this one out. I think this one is going to be beautiful too. Yeah, there's a little learning curve in how to get these out of the mold, but we'll figure this out. I'll get it. Here we go. Yeah, once you get it over there, there we go. Ooh. And I'm liking this one too. Wow. And all right, this is not one of my favorites, but you know what? I'm gonna put it in. Let's see what that looks like. And now this one could be my favorite. And I want you to let me know. Oh, I think this is gonna be my favorite. And this one comes easily out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that stick up there. Wow, look at this one. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. And this is with the frost. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Should have thought about that. Put that in there. Oh, I got it out. I got it out. I got it out. I got it out. I'm so excited. And I got a hole. I did get the hole. Oh. And this is the way it goes. That is gorgeous. This is my favorite. And this is this little Piggy force. And I am going to take you down. And I'm going to put it in my new little gadget that I have to show you how beautiful these are. I am excited. So look at that shimmer and shine. Check that out. Look at that frost. How beautiful is that? Absolutely stunning. I love each and every one of these ornaments. So now you tell me, which is your favorite? I already told you which one was mine. I decided I would embellish a few of these with the chrome pen, and I love how they came out. So, if you're not subscribed, please take a moment and subscribe now. I am going to be doing many more ornaments over the next few weeks. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Till next time, have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye now.